Hey guys, I'm Jayce. Welcome back to Farmstead Forge. I just thought I'd do a quick video on reworking your hoof knives. These have been really neglected all summer, not being out of power. And you ever have it when your hoof knife gets razor sharp for about 2 swipes, but then it's dull. Over time, the back of your blade, instead of being flat, gets a nice rounded edge to it. And it won't hold its edge anymore. It'll be sharp for about 2 seconds and then it's dull. So we're just going to mark that up. Now I just want to work this edge back up higher. I always put my initials up at the top of my knives when I build them so that I can always work this edge up. And that way when you're sharpening, you can always stay on the edge.
You do it one more time. I ain't gonna have no hair left.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video of bringing your edge back on your hoof knives. You'll get another 100,000 out of them, even though this set's just about gone. But at least I'll have a sharp hoof knife that will last me longer than a couple minutes. We'll catch you in the next one.